Let's delve into the design, for Digitrol Seal isn't just an office tool, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your desk essentials. This isn't just a stamp, it's an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your administrative routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just an office tool, it's an aesthetic upgrade to the concept of administrative efficiency. But what truly sets Digitrol Seal apart is its multifunctional prowess. This number-rolling stamp doesn't just mark documents, it does so much more. Equipped with rotating digits, adjustable settings, and a variety of numbering options, Digitrol Seal becomes a versatile companion for various administrative tasks. Whether you're numbering invoices, categorizing files, or dating documents, Digitrol Seal is the guardian of your office efficiency, offering convenience in every roll and stamp. It's not just a stamp, it's a symphony of multitasking administrative convenience. Versatility is Digitrol Seal's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to one numbering format, it adapts to your diverse administrative needs. The customizable settings and rotating digits allow you to tailor the stamp to suit different document requirements, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various paperwork challenges. Whether you're managing paperwork, organizing files, or streamlining administrative processes, Digitrol Seal is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of office efficiency. It's not just a stamp, it's an avant-garde solution to your administrative versatility. Operation is a breeze with Digitrol Seal. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily roll and stamp documents with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures longevity, making Digitrol Seal a reliable administrative companion for your daily paperwork tasks. It's not just a stamp, it's an easy upgrade to a world of multifunctional efficiency. Digitrol Seal doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, office-friendly materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying administrative conditions. The rotating digits and secure mechanisms maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your number rolling stamp remains a reliable tool for the long run. Like, share, and comment. See you tomorrow.